The second year undergraduate philosophy course, Phil 20046 Feminism, ran at the University of Melbourne from 2020 to 2025. As taught at the university, the course was the site of some controversy. Gender studies were opposed to a course being called Feminism, while offering content that was, let me put it politely, rather different to what their discipline presents feminism as being. After I launched a website in early 2021 to collect women's stories about men using women-only spaces, another academic in the university posted to social media, tagging in the then dean of my faculty and sharing an open letter expressing concerns about my teaching of a feminism subject, which a bunch of people signed. That led to a campus protest against transphobia, framed around tutorials because lectures are not mandatory at UniMelb, a campus protest against high-profile TERFs teaching feminism courses, and eventually 3 separate disciplinary investigations, one relating specifically to the feminism course. You might think the NTEU would step in defense of academic freedom at this point, but on the contrary, the Melbourne University branch used its mailing list to encourage members to attend the second protest. In 2023, things flared up again after a feminist protest I attended was counter-protested by socialists and trans activists, who were in turn counter-protested by white supremacists, which led to a media furore over whether feminists and neo-Nazis were on the same side of the street. A fresh round of campus campaigning sprung up, first a sticker and poster campaign encouraging people to boycott the feminism course as fascism, and culminating in the smashing of the glass front of a campus building with graffiti that indicated protest against the course being about to run again. It ran with full security in 2023. I can, however, happily report that that was the end of the troubles, and we had 2 completely normal teaching years after that, before I decided to retire the course and move on to something new. A condensed version of the course is now being offered as a free online video lecture series, starting Sunday, 17th of August, and running for 12 weeks. In this course, we'll cover topics including whether women are oppressed, what patriarchy is, when it started, what sustains it, and how to end it, femininity, abortion, and heterosexual sex, orthodoxies of mainstream feminism, including so-called white feminism and trans inclusion, opponents of feminism, including evolutionary psychology and men's rights activism, and obstacles to the feminist future. The videos premiere on Sundays at 7 p.m. Australia time, 9 p.m. New Zealand time, and 10 a.m. UK. And I'll be online to answer any questions and discuss the ideas in the live chat. See you then.